Welcome back to my YouTube channel Design Engineers, and today I will discuss about the construction of companies, how they will work, and I will explain with the help of some terms which is used in a professional companies. So the first term I am going to explain is tender. Tender is nothing, just a job, the just a project that need to be completed. Suppose government wants any work to be completed, so for that work they will release a tender. That one is the project. Okay. And next term is tender document. What is a tender document? Or it is the detailed of work. Detailed of work. In this tender document, they will explain all the things regarding mechanical things, electrical things, civil works, all the works they will explain here, and all the technical stuffs also, and about bidding, bidding money, price, about contract, all the things they will explain here. Okay. And about the project, all the things. Now next time it will hire a consultancy for the technical stuffs, for technical things, because government don't know so much about the technical thing, so they will hire a consultancy that will take care of the project. You can see, like as a EIL, Engineers India Limited. Okay, like as a Tata Consultancy Engineers, like as a Macon. These companies work as a consultancy. Okay. And bidder. Now after tender, when the tender is released, at that time so much companies will works as a bidder. Bidder means like as a L&T, Paramount, Tata Construction. So these companies will file their work. They will work on that project and they will submit the bid. That one is known as bid. So these companies will be known as a bidders. Okay. So among these companies, among these bidders, the government and consultancy will choose a contractor. Okay. Before the contractor, they will be like as a bidder, but among these, the consultancy and the government will choose a contractor. Suppose they have chosen this L&T construction company for their job, for that project. So now this L&T will be work as a contractor, contractor, and others Paramount and Tata, that will be not in the scope of this tender. Okay. So after before bidder, before the project there was bidder, now they are contractor. Okay. So now this consultancy and the government will deal with only L&T because he is now contractor. Okay. Next thing is client. So for a contractor, means suppose for L&T, now at this condition the government will be a client, because the the works refers to government. So client means government. Okay. Now the government will be a client for this contractor. So our next term is vendor. After the contractor and the client, now contractor is L&T, so they will hire some vendors. Means because the project will be so much big, so all the works, all the equipments. Suppose suppose there is a 3D modeling, and that facility they have not, the contractor they have not that much facility for 3D modeling, so they will hire a vendor for 3D modeling also. Okay. Suppose for equipment, because after because the contractor have the work, now they have to complete the project, so there will be a lot of equipments for the project to be completed. Like as a, suppose for civil works, they will need a RCC construction. Okay. So for that cement and ISA, ISMC, rods. So there will be so much things they have to buy. For electrical, if you, for electrical point of view, you can say transformer, cable trays, cables, wires, and capacitor bank. all the electrical things they have to buy, because they are not making the equipments. So they have to hire a vendor for different work. For transformer they will hire different vendor, for capacitor bank they will hire a different vendor. Okay, so for that companies that will be hired for a particular equipment, so that one is known as vendor. Okay, you got the point. Suppose for transformer, suppose contractor needs 10 transformers of 2.5 kVA. Okay, so they will hire a 10 vendor. Now they have hired a ABB for vendor. Okay, so ABB will work as a vendor for the contractor for L&T. Okay, there are Volt Amp also. There are so many companies. They will also send their vendor documents to the contractor, and after studying that vendor document, the contractor will decide a vendor. Okay, among ABB and Oldham and other bidders, and among the other bidders. Okay, so now these ABB and Oldham will be as a bidder for the transformer and for the contractor. Okay, like as a tender document, vendor document also exists. Vendor document is in the scope of contractor. Okay, these vendor documents will be prepared by contractor, and this tender document will be prepared by consultancy. Okay, so vendor documents, how it will be, that will be decided by contractor. In vendor document what they mention, in this also they will mention technical things and contract things, contract contractual things. Okay, for any particular equipment, for any particular things. The vendor will submit the vendor documents to the contractor. In that vendor documents they will explain all the technical things, what are the documents they have to submit, and bill of and the quantities, bill of quantities, what are the quantities, how much quantity they have to produce. So that one is known as vendor documents. It is for particular equipment, like as power transformer there will be vendor document, for cable tray there will be vendor document, for valve will vendor document. So for whatever the things you have hired vendor, the vendor will submit to you vendor document, and accordingly you will modify the equipment, and you can review the vendor papers. Okay, so I think you got some idea